First, you need half water in 1 cup. You need half. Then you need an egg, and then you need some salt. You have to put 5 of them in the cup, but don't do that yet. Then you need a spoon. First, put the egg in the cup gently, then it doesn't break, and then leave it there for a little bit. Then put it up with your spoon and then put it down on the table. And then all that water that might be on your spoon, just put it in the cup. Then get your spoon and put some salt, a whole spoonful of salt, and just wiggle it about. And then just put it in the cup. 5 teaspoons of salt in the cup. 5 full teaspoons in the cup. And do that, and then after you've done that, you just have to mix it. And if there's none left, just ask your grown-up to put it back. And then mix it for a little bit, and then take your spoon out and put it down, and put the egg back in, and then it will go a little bit up. Because first it was down, and now it is up. Watch. See? That's so cool. You may try to do that at home with your... First ask a grown-up to get a cup, and it's half water, and then salt, and an egg, and a spoon. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Bye.